Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today I am here with some very questionable eyebrows to demo the not so new Jackie Aina palette that she had in conjunction with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm about 4 months late, but 4 months ago I was not into makeup, so that's fine. I'm here. I have the palette. It is beautiful. It is fabulous. It is formulated to show up on dark and deep dark skin tones, so I am so ready to use it. Not going to waste y'all's time with a huge intro. Y'all know that Jackie is the patron saint of makeup. We adore her. We love her. We buy what she says to buy. So let's get into this eyeshadow. I've already played around with this palette a little bit, but I'm going to start with the color Edges, and I'm going to put edges in my crease. I'm not sure if it's showing up on my camera, but it's like a mauvey red color, and I think it's going to be a good transition color. I'm just blending with this color, going back and forth and kind of dabbing in my crease. And I'm going to go in my outer V as well. And then I'm going to go in with Credit and warm this color up some more. I'm gonna move you in just a little bit. Yes, that's better. That is better. Now I'm taking the little smudgy end of this brush and I'm continuing with Credit. This is Credit right here. And I'm pretty sure that my camera is not doing it justice, so I will try to make sure I put a picture of it here as well so you can see it better. These are amazingly bold colors that look fabulous on deep and dark skin tones. Now, with a smudge end, I am going to go into Zam. Zam is a beautiful goldish color. The flakes are a little bit bigger in Zam than Soleil, but this is it's just so pretty. And I'm going to gently place, I don't think I'm going to have very much fallout, but I'm going to gently place this with a smudge brush. If it doesn't work with my brush, I'm going to use my finger. Oh, how pretty. I hope your computer or wherever you're watching this on your phone is in HD because, oh my God. So I'm going to go back in with Credit and just kind of blend. Just a little blend. Oh my goodness. Adorable. Now I do have a little bit of fallout, but I don't have foundation on yet. So I'm just going to use a makeup wipe, clean this up. I'm going to finish my eyes off camera, finish my makeup off camera, and then I'll come back and I'm going to go under my eyes. I think I'm going to go with Pinker, so we'll see. All right, guys, I got my eyes on and my makeup on. I actually used a little bit of Pinker as blush on my cheeks after I contoured. So what I'm going to do now is go into Dwala's right here. It's a goldish color. It's a very cute shimmer. And I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And these colors are so fabulous because you don't need very much. They are highly pigmented, but like not gonna like stain your skin like other brands do. I'm also gonna put Dwala's in the corners of my eye there. Just a little something like that. Yes. I'm going to put Soleil, Soleil down the bridge of my nose. Just going to use my finger for that. And just look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful Soleil is. So I don't need that much. So I'm just going to wipe a little bit off. And then I'm going to put some down the bridge of my nose. Yes. And then I'm going to rub some off because it is hella shimmery. Where's my brush? Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Yes, I love a good, oof, I love a good shimmer. The rest of what's left of Soleil on my finger after putting some on and wiping some off, I'm going to put right here. The highest point of my cheeks. Now, mind you, I barely dipped in the first place, and I still have enough for like everywhere that I want to put it. Baby, look at that. Like, are you kidding me? That is fabulous. I really love this palette. Like, I've used it as blush and shimmer and highlight and just everything. It's perfect for deep and deep dark skin tones. It's perfect for lighter skin too. And I think that was a little bit of the issue with some people. It's like, if it's formulated for darker skin, that means light skin people can use it too. That means everybody can use it. It's perfect. Okay? Perfect. Oh my gosh. Just thank you so much for this, Jackie. Thank you for being an like advocate in the makeup world for dark skinned girls. Like, thank you for creating a palette that is beautiful. I could absolutely use every single color. You are amazing. I know people tell you that all the time, but I'm going to say it right here. You're wonderful. In just the past few months, I've learned so much from you about makeup, and we're close to the same skin tone. So, like, that's beautiful too. Just so grateful. This palette is wonderful. Look at my face. She's beat. She's fabulous. Also, Milk Hydro Grip Primer is what I used. Jackie recommended this, so of course I had to get some. It's amazing as well. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Come back next time for something fabulous. I will be using this palette. Until then, y'all have a great day.